Dear friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are making lasagna, which is a traditional Italian dish made with layered pasta, meat and vegetables and a sauce. This dish is typically baked in the oven, resulting in a warm, comforting meal that is often served as a main course. The message from our team today is that always have a strong willpower, as the society around us will measure us according to the willpower we have. So let's start our lasagna recipe. First we will take 80 ml oil and set the heat to medium settings. Once the oil has heated up, we will add 1 diced onion. We saute the onion for a minute. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Please stir and fry the garlic and ginger paste. Next we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Please stir to mix the spices and the onions. Here I am adding half kilogram minced meat into the pan. Please cook and fry the minced meat till the color changes to brown. Please add 200 grams of chopped tomatoes and stir and cook for a minute. Once the tomatoes are dissolved, we will add 500 grams of pasta sauce. Please cook for 5 minutes. Now we will switch the heat to low settings and place the lid for 10 minutes. While our minced meat is being made, it is time to make white sauce. We will take 4 tablespoons of butter and melt it at medium heat. In this melted butter, we will add 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Please stir constantly so the lumps are not made. At this stage, we will add 3 cups of cold milk, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of salt. Please stir and cook till our white sauce starts to thicken up a bit. After 10 minutes, our minced meat would be ready to be put in the layers of lasagna. Please note our white sauce makes the first layer in lasagna, and our second layer is made of minced meat. Our third layer is made of pre-cooked lasagna sheets. Please repeat these steps and sprinkle mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese in between the layers. Our lasagna is ready to be cooked. We will preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit and cook for 40 minutes. Our classic lasagna is ready to be served. As you can see, our lasagna has come out very nice. You can sprinkle the green herbs of your choice. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, please leave us a comment in the comment box. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And thanks for visiting our channel.